First off, massive shout out to my boy Mike. He gave me a Lamborghini Urus for my time here in California. I still think we need a lifted wide body Urus. I'm not wrong, Stefan, that would be amazing.
It would be
we need to do that. Also, massive shout out to Stefan, my boy. Stefan is helping me film my videos now. For the time being, we'll see what happens later in the future. We are headed off to Manny Koshman's collection. You guys know Manny. He's got crazy hypercars, crazy supercars. I'm gonna drop a bombshell on you guys right now. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. We're either buying a Bugatti Veyron or a McLaren P1. Manny's got a handful of Veyrons, he's got a P1. So we're gonna go check out the cars. I wanna get his perspective, see what he thinks. Does he think I should buy a Veyron or a P1? Because he's got both cars. It's not an Aventador. It's a twin turbo V8. It's not bad. I just ate the fattest hamburger at Houston's right over there. So if I look Tubby McBlubby in today's video, it's because I am. Also SLS Gullwing right there. If you guys were wondering, Tessa coined the term Tubby McBlubby. So let that sink in. She called me that. It's an adequate description of myself and my future. Oh, jeez. This, oh, okay. We just went very hot into that corner right there. We're good. Stefan's nervous. He's not happy. He had a big lunch too. You want this, don't you, Tess? It's so much fun. It's crazy. This thing weighs a fortune. It is fast though. I was gonna give a shout out to California, but there's no sunshine. I thought there was like a deal. Okay, my voice squeaked. It's early. Oh God, wow. We're at Manny Koshman's garage. Check this thing out. It's like a Star Trek vault. We were here like 4 years ago and 2 years ago. We got the 650 Can-Am right there. I don't really know what to do. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm an idiot. Oh.
There you go.
Dude. What an entrance is that? Are you kidding me? What's up, dude?
What's up, buddy?
How's it going, man?
Watch out, the door's gonna close real quick. There you go.
Get out.
It's one person at a time. How you
This
been?
is sick. I've been good. Good to see you. It's been a while. I told you he had Bugattis.
Wow.
You're looking to buy Bugatti?
I am, and I want to get your advice and your opinion because I'm looking at those two cars on the far end. You can't have both. Which do you buy?
You don't have to answer
right now. You
Pressure's on.
about it.
I already know the answer.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
It's that easy.
If it was, you know, apple to apple in terms of price you're gonna pay?
It can't be a carbon P1.
Oh, of course.
It can't be a carbon.
There's only one carbon.
Right. So we're looking at a stock P1 versus stock Veyron, and you don't own any other Bugattis.
You know, it's a hard choice, but not really. I would say Veyron.
Veyron. I knew it. I knew it.
They had spent $6 million research development building the Veyrons. There's only 76 to my knowledge that came to US. If you buy a Veyron, you're one of
76.
This one, I think over 100 came to US.
Wow. But they actually made more Veyrons worldwide, but they're more rare in the US. That's cool.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
This is the coolest P1 in the entire world, bar none. Like there is no competition whatsoever. Like there isn't. There's a lot of cars vying for the second spot, but undeniably that's the sickest P1. It's matte carbon fiber. How many carbon series P1s are there?
So they did 25, but only 8 in exposed carbon, and this is the only one in matte finish. So the rest of them are gloss.
Okay, right.
Yeah, so this makes it more sinister.
Wow.
Just to me, it's like stealth, you know, trying to match it to my desk.
I am freaking out. That car is sick. Sorry, that was a close up. That was really close. Manny has a similar problem to myself. He has to move cars out of the way to get other cars out, but in his case, he has to move a one-off Hermes Bugatti Chiron. This car is so sick. I've seen all the photos on Instagram. That sounds so good. This Chiron is incredible. This is the highest spec Chiron in the entire world. Can I get a God bless California? I realize it's not a sunny day, but I look at that car. It's the Chiron Skyview from Hermes. That color, I've seen all the photos on the gram. It does not do it injustice. Wait, that didn't make sense. You know what I meant? That is so sick. Oh my goodness. What do you guys think? We filmed 3 Chirons in the last couple weeks. We have Manny's right here. We have the Dallas, Texas Chiron and the one we filmed off in Denver, Colorado. This is so cool. Just the level of detail is simply mesmerizing. I can't afford a Matt Carbon one though. That's a thing, I can't do Matt Carbon. Manny said he's gonna let me drive it. I don't know. Should I call my insurance agent? I probably should, but I'm not going to, but I should.
What they don't know don't hurt them.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's a good... Did you just come up with that? That was incredible. What they won't know won't hurt them. That's true. Until they find out. Anyways. Now what do you think? I don't know what to do, guys.
Double the turbos.
It has 4 more turbos than the Porsche Taycan Turbo S. Every time I film a Veyron, I have to say that. I like Porsche. I'm a Porsche fanboy. Cut. I'm not going to say a Bugatti Veyron is a Lamborghini Aventador as far as sound quality, but that sounds crazy. It's such a distinct exhaust note. The P1 sounds like a UFO. This sounds like a freight train. I don't know. Such an iconic looking car. What do you guys think of the original Veyron? The black one was obviously a solid color tone. This is the two-tone. This is more like the traditional Veyron spec. Such a ridiculous car. So this is the original Veyron, and this is the Grand Sport Vitesse. So this has 1,200 horsepower. This is the fastest open-top roadster in the world. This is one of the Legends editions, the Rembrandt. I was not expecting this today. The P1 and the Veyron. This is it, boys. These are the final 2 cars. What do you think? In the comments below, Veyron or P1? Manny offered to let me drive the Carbon P1, but this car is priceless. It's the only one in the entire world, and if I drive it, I'm gonna drive it like a grandma. Whereas Manny, you guys might remember, we've had some crazy shenanigans on the vlog, so he's gonna drive it. We're gonna drive around the industrial park, then we're gonna grab the Veyron, and we're gonna have a direct compare to compare. That didn't make sense, you know what I meant? We're gonna compare and contrast the 2 cars.
Guys, first we gotta warm up the tires.
Yes, always warm up the tires. Okay, oh my gosh. Hold on, boys. Wow, we were in a P1 on Sunday. It's now Wednesday and we're in another P1. This is crazy.
It's your P1 week.
Those turbos are so addicting. You're a terrible influence on me. Manny saw my video in the P1. He's like, nah, you gotta come ride with me in my P1 and I'll bring you to the dark side. I just sounded like the Pillsbury Doughboy, but you know, sometimes in life you're only in a P1 once, but in this case, twice. Oh my gosh! What was that? That was ridiculous!
That's what the P1 does to you.
I may have soiled my... I'm just kidding. I did not. I'm fine. That was a joke, boys. We're totally good. I will need to add more deodorant on later today.
I'm not even in track mode.
That was crazy. We were shaking and baking right there. Jeez. My neck. I guess this is round 2. The block.
I think he's looking for us. Yep, he's coming back.
That was not a cop. I mean, we're keeping it under 55. We truly are.
We are.
Absolutely. Jeez. We've switched the P1 into E mode just because there's really no other reason we've done it. We definitely did not see California Highway Patrol. Absolutely not. No. Hey, whoa. Hey, bro. No, we did not. Oh. The Veyron is so iconic, just with the Chiron chilling there in the background, too.
And imagine he's 14 years old and it still looks
that good.
Amazing.
Straight from the P1 to the legendary Bugatti Veyron. We're not going to quite have the same experience. We're going to drive it a little bit slower. Wow. The P1 is fast, don't get me wrong, but a Veyron would destroy it in a straight line. The acceleration though, it's so easy for the car. It's like not even trying. Oh my gosh. Oh, this has been a good day. God bless California, am I right? Dude, thank you so much, Manny. This is awesome.
My pleasure.
Oh, the brakes are just as sufficient. Wow, it's crazy to have 1,000 horsepower and not be able to get traction with all-wheel drive. Once again, Grand Theft Auto in real life. This is goals, boys. Look at the lighting in this garage. All the cars just look priceless in here. Just like everything, there's always a caveat. So the cheapest P1 I can find is $1.2 million. You can find a Veyron for like 900, 950, maybe $1 million. That's a huge spread. That's another Lamborghini Aventador. So as much as I love the P1, we also have to factor in the difference in price, $200,000 to $300,000.
Okay, but now that you've been in both, how do you feel?
I want that car. Wait, what? No. Tessa, what do you think? Bugatti Veyron or McLaren P1?
This is my first time seeing a P1 in person. It looks so sick.
That's the sickest P1 in the world. So the P1 I would get is not gonna look like that car. So imagine that P1, but like a little less cool.
It's such a cool spec though, with the carbon fiber. I know, it's like...
So you're saying P1?
Okay, if I had to choose between like both of these, I'd go
Right.
with P1.
Right.
But if it wasn't like carbon fiber, then I might go with Veyron.
I know today's video is about the Veyron and the Carbon P1, but this Chiron is the sickest Chiron I think I've ever laid eyes on. We saw the car in Dallas, we saw the car in Denver, and this one owned by Manny. What do you guys think? Now, enjoy that view. We're gonna walk over here. Look at this. Oh, how sick is that? It is a Wednesday, and it is a Chiron day. There's just no car that quite has the presence of a Bugatti Chiron. Check out this interior. It is to die for. All the custom embroidery. This spec is ridiculous. The Skyview too. I think Manny said that's like an $80,000 option, and definitely worth it. I'm not gonna say the decision got easier, but I appreciate it, Manny. Thank you so much, guys. Manny has a YouTube channel. Check him out. Link below. Manny Koshpin. I appreciate it. That was so much fun.
My pleasure.
I still don't know what car to get though, but I know I want both.
Hey, get both.
Sadly and unfortunately, our time in the Urus is over. We're gonna swap out for a 600 LT. A random 599, and wait for it, the Carpage 600 LT. And just like that, we're back in the 600 LT. Also, random Wyra BC. Okay, I honestly have no idea where we're going. And go. She's fighting for traction, boys. What a crazy trip to California. Jeffree Star owns the Toyota Supra. I drove a Koenigsegg Agera RS 150 miles an hour around a racetrack. We rode in a P1, we rode in a Veyron back to back. Massive shout out to Carpage for the McLaren 600 LT for the week. Go give them a follow on Instagram, link below. I don't know, boys. I made an Instagram poll a couple days ago, P1 versus Veyron. The P1 won by a landslide. You guys voted on YouTube as well. The P1 won by a landslide. And that being said, I still don't know what to do. There's just something about a Bugatti. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog's over, and I'm out.